my word will not return in vain. I have in the time past sent forth my servants to proclaim my ordinances and to proclaim that which will unfold as the times went by. The time must come for the manifestations of that which are spoken through those that came before. That concerning humanity, I shall send forth my breath. I shall send forth my spirit, that there shall be revival across the nations and all over the nations. That which realize and have seen what I made my servants to speak as utterances, as prophecies, arose to alter, to falter, and to divert that which I made my servants to speak. Here comes the glory. I am appointing vessels who will arise across the nations, that will burn in the fires which beam from the eyes of him who had risen into glory, my beloved holy Lamb, which was slain. Therefore, I have chosen to manifest, and I have chosen that this is the season for the manifestation of my poured out spirit. Let the world be ready. Let the nations be ready and be called to order, and be called to order, and be called to order, that they that hearken to my voice and shall run unto me shall be saved. They that hear and hearken to my voice and shall surrender to my voice, the ordinances shall be a scepter on their chest, on their hearts, that they shall be known by all that these are they who walk with the presence of their God, their Father. With my glory, let it be stood upon them, and with my blessings, let it manifest in their life, and let all see and know I am their God. Peace.